The Kitonga Gardens Resort solar project began due to the client expressing the need to go green. This is because the resort is located in a very remote area. They have power fluctuations, and in addition, they have high energy power bills. So to combat this, they felt the need to go green. So this is where Plexus came in. The key components of the KGR solar project are namely the solar panels, the solar array, in other words, the inverters and the batteries. So how they work together basically is that the solar panels generate power in DC, which is then converted into AC by the inverter. And then the excess generated power is stored in the batteries for late time night use and early morning use when the solar isn't available. The KGR needs that we saw were power fluctuations and high energy bills. To combat this, we came up with a design of a hybrid solar system, which mainly comprises of solar panels, inverters, and batteries. The remote monitoring app that we will give the client access to allows the client to monitor the system in real time. It also enables the Plexus team in monitoring the system from a remote area. So for example, when we're in the office, we can see the system performing in real time.